Hello everyone, my name is Noura Alyassi from Hamdan bin Mohammed Smart University School of Business and Quality Management, Dubai. I'm very excited to present my research on understanding ChatGPT adoption and barriers among non-technical employees in the workplace. ChatGPT, developed by OpenAI, is an advanced AI language model capable of generating human-like text. It's widely used for tasks such as content creation, data analysis, and customer support. Its ability to assist with brainstorming, writing, and even decision making makes it a valuable tool in modern workplaces. And today I'll discuss how ChatGPT is being used in workplaces settings by employees outside technical roles. We will explore also its benefits, the barriers to adoption, and how organizations can support its effective use. AI tools are becoming an integral part of workplaces, driving efficiency and innovation. However, while technical employees may quickly adapt to such tools, non-technical employees face unique challenges. Many are hesitant to use AI due to concerns about job security, privacy, and lack of understanding of the technology's relevance to their roles. This creates a gap in AI adoption that hinders workplaces' productivity and the full utilization of AI's potential. The goal of my research is to bridge this gap by understanding these barriers and providing actionable insights for organizations. This research is important because AI tools like ChatGPT have the potential to enhance productivity and creativity across various industries. However, these tools can only deliver their full value if employees feel confident using them. Understanding non-technical employees' concerns allows organizations to address these barriers effectively, ensuring a smoother and more inclusive AI integration process. To provide context for my research, I reviewed existing literature on AI in workplaces, fears surrounding AI, and the use of ChatGPT in non-technical roles. First, studies show that AI improves productivity, accuracy, and decision-making across industries. Tools like chatbots and predictive analytics are transforming customer service and operational efficiency. Second, fears of AI adoption are common, with concerns about job displacement, privacy, and losing control to machines. A key driver of this fear is the lack of understanding about what AI can and cannot do. Lastly, ChatGPT has shown promise in supporting creativity and knowledge sharing in workplaces. However, its adoption is hindered by issues such as insufficient training, perceived job relevance, and organizational support. These insights highlight both opportunities and challenges of AI adoption, setting the stage for my research into non-technical employees' perspective on ChatGPT. To explore this topic, I conducted a quantitative survey targeting non-technical employees in various industries. The survey included a mix of closed and open-ended questions to gather insights on demographics, ChatGPT usage, perceived benefits, challenges, and organizational support. This approach allowed me to efficiently collect diverse data while uncovering key patterns and trends. As for sampling, the survey targeted employees across a range of roles and fields excluding tech-focused positions. This ensured a broad perspective on how ChatGPT is perceived and used in non-technical environments. For the data analysis, I used quantitative methods to analyze the closed-ended responses, calculating averages, percentage, and frequencies. For open-ended questions, I reviewed responses to identify common themes and patterns, providing a deeper understanding of employees' experiences. Key findings: The survey revealed some interesting insights. First, adoption patterns. 33% of respondents used ChatGPT frequently, primarily for writing, brainstorming, and data-related tasks. However, 29% have never used it, citing insufficient training, a lack of relevance to their jobs, or general distrust in AI tools. As for the concerns, privacy and data security were the top concerns, with 39% of participants highlighting these issues. Also, fears of errors and accountability got 21%. Job relevance and creativity 13%. One of the key findings of the survey is the lack of organizational support for training employees on ChatGPT. Alarmingly, 62.5% of respondents stated that their organization do not provide any training or resources for ChatGPT, and another 25% were unsure about the availability of such support. Only 12.5% of respondents reported that their organization offered training. This figure is about the importance of organizational support for adopting ChatGPT. As it's shown, most of participants view organizational support as a critical for adopting ChatGPT. Over 70% rated its importance as either a 4 or 5 on a scale of 1 to 5. 37.5% rated it as very important, and 33.3% rated it as a 4. On the other hand, only 8.3% considered organizational support minimally important. These results underscore the importance of providing employees with the necessary resources and training to build confidence and maximize the potential of AI tools like ChatGPT. Without proper support, the adoption and effective use of such tools in the workplace will remain limited. In conclusion, to summarize, my research shows that while many employees recognize the value of ChatGPT, barriers such as privacy concerns, lack of training, and job relevance limit its widespread adoption. Organizations need to address these challenges by providing hands-on training, clear guidelines, and leadership support to foster confidence and trust in AI tools. And finally, for recommendations, encouraging employees to embrace AI require a supportive culture. Leadership should prioritize security, ensure relevance, and offer practical resources to bridge the gap between potential and adoption. Thank you everyone for your time and attention. I hope this presentation has shed light on the challenges and opportunities surrounding ChatGPT adoption in non-technical roles.